Harnessing the power of banana. Peel tea, a natural fertilizer for thriving plants. Welcome to our tutorial on making banana peel tea, the natural fertilizer that can transform your garden. Today, we'll explore how simple and beneficial it is to use this organic resource. Banana peel tea is made by soaking banana peels in water, extracting valuable nutrients that help plants thrive. To start, you'll need fresh banana peels, a large jar with a lid, and some water. First, collect enough peels to loosely fill the jar. Rinse them well to remove any pesticides or impurities. Place the rinsed peels into the jar, add water until submerged, seal the jar, and let it sit at room temperature for 48 hours. After steeping, remove the peels, and your banana peel tea is ready. This tea is packed with essential nutrients like potassium, which aids in flower and fruit development, and phosphorus, which strengthens roots. Using banana peel tea improves soil quality by reintroducing nutrients, making it an excellent eco-friendly gardening practice. It's also cost-effective, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers and repurposing kitchen scraps. Some gardeners even suggest that banana peel tea has pest repellent properties. Research supports that potassium-rich fertilizers, such as banana peel tea, enhance plant growth and health significantly. Experts in horticulture confirm its effectiveness, making it a respected choice among organic gardeners. To use, simply water your plants with the tea, or dilute it for a foliar spray, which aids in leaf nutrient absorption and pest deterrence. Apply banana peel tea to your garden every 4 weeks during the growing season for optimal results. If you have extra tea, store it in the refrigerator for up to a week to preserve its benefits. Integrate banana peel tea with other organic gardening practices, like composting, for even better results. In conclusion, banana peel tea is a simple, sustainable solution for a thriving garden. Regular use will lead to healthier, more vibrant plants, better yields, and a harmonious natural environment. Try this method and see the remarkable benefits for yourself. Happy gardening!